Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
And this is our title Rescue Wings, Mobile Computing and Active Services Support for Disaster Rescue. And our abstract, during disaster events, timely and targeted information, provisions and exchange could provide great help to the stricken populations in difficult and complicated environments. This paper reports a service-oriented system called Rescue Wings. For providing emergency support to sufferers and rescuers in disasters, the system utilizes mobile services to acquire real-time information about the users and the environment, and construct services agents to provide active services for mobile users to perform their functions. The servants frequently invoke a set of intelligence services of Rescue Wings, which can further access a number of public services, identify the most frequent request sequence patterns of Rescue Wings, and develop a new bioinspired algorithm for efficiently scheduling the requests to minimize the response rate. The system has been tested in several disaster rescue drills and has been successfully applied to the 2013 earthquake in South Korea, China. We are now facing increasingly the threat from natural and man-made disasters. In order to effectively plan and implement disaster rescue operations, first responders have to obtain such much detailed information as possible about population dynamics, paying special attention to special groups such as children, elderly, and disabled. It also expected that disasters and evaluation information should be transmitted to the affected populations in timely and accurate manners, which can have an enormous effect in saving lives and reducing damage. While the importance of customized intelligence services for assisting the population's emergencies has always been recognized, challenges surrounding the designs, deployment, management, its emergencies, and our wider applications in the last 3 years, we have been working on the project named Rescue Wing is conducted mainly upon a communication combinations of two emerging paradigms, mobile computing and cloud computing. On the other hand, the portability and the ease of information storage and the disseminations has enabled mobile devices to become one of the most valuable means of communication with the populations, and the recent trends in the mobile computing have motivated interest in accessing web services from mobile devices in order to extend their functionality and gain access to remote data. On the other hand, cloud computing technologies enable configuring, scheduling, and coordinations of shared resources via virtual station, and thus greatly facilitate communication between a broad range who can upload a maintenance layer profiles on the servers when entering into emergency mode as a service agent whose behaviors are defined by active service programs is essential for more rescuing clients. The servants are responsible for actively collecting real-time information and monitoring the states of clients on the spot and providing regular services to assist the users itself protection escape. Rescue Wings has access to a number of public services for obtaining rescue information and provide a set of intelligence services for supporting the responders in different stages of rescue operations. However, information exchange in traditional TSS is slow and often error-prone, mainly because the different semantics of data sources present barrier to interoperability, which are especially unexpected in an emergency situations. Web services technology, which enables high-level interoperability among heterogeneous resources in the network, provides much more flexible mechanism of interactions and coordinations of business processes distributed across different organizations. And this is our project flow. In this, we have an application interface. In this application interface, we will be providing a user interface for an user for accessing the applications in an array of emergency areas. And next, we will be getting into an hotspot connectivity. In this hotspot connectivity, we need to enable our hotspot to get connected to an applications who are not using our applications. Then, in the message sending, we can able to send a message between the devices which is being connected to a particular hotspot or a single hotspot where the devices been get connected. By this messaging, we can able to send and receive messages in a hotspot without a current request. And then receiving messages can be given by a rescue gang. In this rescue gang, they can able to reply the messages which can be able to reach by an end users in rescue areas. And when you run our application, this screen will be getting as a home screen for you, and in this home screen you can able to see a devices which can be able to get the devices which have been get connected in our hotspots. And this is our messaging view. In this messaging interface, you can able to send a message to one users which have been get available in your phone directly. These users will be get connected via a hotspot, and by using this hotspot, the message will be traveled to between. And in this panel, you can able to see an options between a call and a send files. You can able to go, you can able to share your voice calls, or else you can able to share your files which is being available between the users which are will get connected in your hotspots. And this will be the reply from the rescue gangs, which can be get in your own applications in group chats. You can able to retrieve information from a rescue gang by this conversation screen.